At Sicame, we strive to provide high-quality, easy-to-install, reliable accessories to build overhead distribution lines. Today, I have the opportunity to update you on one of the most advanced line of connectors ever designed, TTDC connectors. Significant feedback from customers has confirmed that TTDCs are easy to install, high-performing, and the most reliable solution to interconnect covered conductors from medium voltage network.
The first benefit of using the TTDC is that stripping is no longer necessary. There are always risks to the cable when stripping the cover because it can damage the strands or allow water to seep beneath the cover, which can lead to corrosion. It is also quite difficult and sometimes hazardous to strip the hard covers of MVCC cables. This is the reason why TTDCs have been acclaimed by not only linemen, but also safety engineers. They can avoid this tedious step. That being said, what makes TTDCs different from any other solution is the simple one-step installation, which establishes a high-quality electrical connection, seals the connection so that it is completely waterproof, preventing water from penetrating the cover, and lastly, conceals the electrical potential inside a protective non-conductive cover. To install a TTDC connector, just place the cable in the main and tap locations, tighten the screws, and that's it. There is no better solution than that. Keep it simple and all-inclusive. Due to Sicame's advanced expertise regarding insulation piercing connectors, TTDCs provide a dependable, high-quality electrical connection when piercing the insulation sheath of medium voltage covered conductors. This electrical connectivity has been validated by years of use on actual networks and by numerous utility trials on the most demanding nodes of their networks. In addition to successful field application, TTDCs have passed numerous heat cycling tests consisting of 200, 500, or 1,000 cycles, with and without short circuits. TTDCs are fully compliant with the EN 50397 standard and other international standards. Aside from regular heat cycling tests, we've also performed high current short circuit tests to demonstrate their ability to withstand short circuits in protective grounding applications. This last test is crucial for linemen safety. So when it comes to electrical connection, TTDCs have you covered.
In medium voltage system, depending on various elements such as pollution, voltage gradient, or humidity, dielectric materials such as plastic may be affected by electrical stress. While TTDCs have not been seen to be affected by such elements in the field, it was important for us to obtain a concrete data that these connectors are reliable under the most demanding situations.
With a new addition to the line, the AT option for anti-tracking, the TTDC family is now fully tested for polluted environments up to 35 kilovolts. Thanks to a thorough electrical potential computerized model, we've been able to analyze the level of electrical stress on millions of points within and around the connector while it is operating. This led us to develop a truly original, patent-pending solution to funnel the electrical stress within this connector. We designed a special semiconductive bridge that limits the floating potential of all metallic parts. That solution prevents any damage to the connector body. This has been validated with a very demanding test, salt spray under 35 kilovolts. The TTDC AT line of connectors has been the first fully protected one-step installation connector to successfully pass a 1,000-hour salt spray chamber test under electrical tension at 35 kilovolts.
That's it for today. Thanks for your interest in this truly remarkable TTDC line. A one-step, easy-to-install, waterproof and potentially concealed connector for medium voltage covered networks. Have a great day.